Under the wave of Industry 5.0, the global manufacturing industry is undergoing a significant transformation from traditional manufacturing to intelligent and automated systems. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Shining 3D. Today I'm pleased to introduce our standard automated solution, RobotScan. This system is designed to meet a wide range of industrial applications, helping reduce manual labor and greatly improve operational efficiency. The RobotScan system is composed of 4 key components, working seamlessly together to enable a fully automated 3D scanning and inspection workflow. First, the robot arm provides precise and repeatable motion control, allowing the scanner to follow optimized scanning path with consistent accuracy. Different types of robot arm can be configured based on payload capacity, reach, and integration needs. Second, the turntable supports parts weighing up to 20 kilograms and enables full 360-degree scanning coverage by rotating the object during the scanning process. Third, the integrated controller base syncs all the system's hardware, ensuring stable operation, communication, and power management within a compact and efficient footprint. RobotScan comes with safety protection and an emergency start button to keep operators safe. Notably, the 3D scanner is mounted directly onto the robot arm, enabling automated and adaptive scanning for different geometrics and materials. With its modular design, the RobotScan system currently supports multiple Shining 3D scanners, allowing users to choose the most suitable model based on accuracy, resolution, and speed requirements. The entire RobotScan system is controlled by RobotControl, a dedicated software platform developed in-house by Shining 3D. The software features a streamlined interface and a short learning curve, making it accessible even for first-time users. In the device configuration section, you can easily add the selected robot arm, turntable, and 3D scanner. The system supports one-click device connection. The calibration path has been preset for each supported Shining 3D scanner, enabling a fully automated one-click calibration process that ensures optimal system accuracy. In the programming section, the software provides a full set of control commands for each hardware module, along with post-inspection logic. Using this intuitive interface, you can simply drag and drop commands into the workflow canvas and connect them to create a complete logical automation sequence. The inspection interface allows you to review detailed inspection results, including dimensional deviations, pass and fail analysis, and the full inspection reports generated automatically after the scanning. Next, I will show you the workflow of the RobotScan system. Once the automation sequence is set, simply click Start. The robot arm scans one side of the part, then the turntable rotates it halfway for scanning the other side. After scanning, the software processes the data and performs automated inspection based on your preset template. Finally, the inspection reports and the data are saved automatically in the target folders. Take the blow mold industry as an example. With the help of 3D scanning, it becomes possible to accurately measure the cavity volume and the neck diameter of the bottle molds during the design and adjustment stages. Since the factory needs to inspect every mold for quality, using RobotScan system greatly reduces labor cost and improves efficiency. The system can complete a full scan in just 40 seconds, and the captured data is then used for automated verification and quality checking.